Here we go. Young. So how was everybody's Valentine's Day? For you Hmong girls, like, when a guy speaks Hmong to you, do you find it sexy? I would probably crack up if I saw a guy like grab his honey and be like, Kuv Hlub Koj Heev. Valentine's Day is about love. You should love everybody, not just with your girlfriend, but y'all got more on Valentine's Day. Y'all bought and not jaw hair and if like kiki cause go some beer, cause go ninge ha, and go more you bang the whole or put your one cause go some beer, but yeah, your Valentine's Day, so Hlub. It's like grabbing someone's balls. It's not even Valentine's Day anymore. I don't know why I'm talking about Valentine's Day. I'm already too late. I do not do drugs. Smelly, I just don't find it sexy when I see a girl and I meet her and she's like, how are you? I mean, maybe you guys like it, and if that's your thing, you know, you can tap that all you want. Good job. Of all things, the biggest turnoff would probably be, well, besides them being ugly or just smelly. That was really mean. I'm sorry. A big turnoff is when a person doesn't have a sense of humor. Like, seriously, any little joke that you tell some people, they just take offense to it. You're like, your mama's so fat. Like, fuck you. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to spell it. So, this is how you spell laugh in Hmong. Lo. And then you can add for lona, and that's how you spell laugh in Hmong. I probably should be the last person making how to speak Hmong videos, because like, people are gonna see my videos and they're like, and then the people who do watch my video, I can't even talk right now. That's what I mean. You guys need to show people how to talk. That was what? I'm gonna have to rewind this stuff because I really don't remember what I was talking about in the beginning. Yeah, I better cut this video off. But like, for all of you who watch my videos, you know, I do appreciate the support. Okay, bye-bye. Checking my pulse cause you're just revived. Time's running by, tick-tock, got a plan. Gotta be the only one who'll be your man. Gotta be the lover if you understand. Let's take it to the next level, let's begin. I don't know. Kuchi got mon beurre. Kuchi got mon beurre. Talk beurre, kuchi orange, kuchi. J'en ai su, kuchi got oka, kuchi hai. Kusa. Oi, j'en ai pas en chindao, j'avais mis no laia. Cause gu. Jinya to ja minyo ko kusa kuji kamen do minyo. What the fuck am I talking about?